morning children. Today we will study our next chapter of English grammar, lesson number 14, active and passive voice. Let's start. Voice are of two types, active voice and passive voice. There are two types of voices, active voice and passive voice. First of all, we will study active voice. What is active voice? A verb is said to be in active voice when the subject performs an action. It means the verb. एक्टिव वॉइस वो वॉइस होती है जिसमें वर्क जो है वो सब्जेक्ट परफॉर्म करता है, यानी कि काम जो है वो सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा किया जाता है. सब्जेक्ट इसमें डूअर होता है एक्शन का. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. जॉन पोस्टेड अ लेटर. In this sentence, John is subject, posted is verb, and a letter is object. Because in this sentence, John is doing the verb. Who is posted the letter? John is posted the letter. John has posted the letter. So, John is subject, and John is the doer of the action. This is the rule of active voice. First of all, we will write subject, then verb, and then object. Our next voice is passive voice. In this voice, when something is done to the subject, it means action is done by the object. In the passive voice, action is received by the subject and the object becomes the subject. Let's see the example. He shoots the sheriff. In this sentence, he is subject, shoots is verb, the sheriff is object. When we change active voice into passive voice, the object, it means receiver, becomes the subject. The sheriff, after that we will use verb according to the rules that I will provide you later. So according to this verb, we will use is. The sheriff is shot by him. Him here we use subject as a object. So our passive voice is the sheriff is shot by him. Now look at the rule. Object plus helping verb plus main verb plus by. We use by in passive voice, but we don't use by in the active voice. Plus subject. This is the rule of the passive voice. Children, now we will know the rules how we will change active into passive voice. Our first rule is identify the subject, verb and object. First of all, we will identify subject of the active voice, verb of the active voice and object of the active voice. Our second rule is the object of active voice is changed into subject of the passive voice. Active voice का जो subject है वो passive voice का object बन जाएगा और जो active voice का object है उसको हम subject में change कर लेंगे. Let's see the example. She eats an apple. Children, in this sentence, she is subject, eats is verb, and an apple is object. When we will change active into passive, we will make the object the subject of the passive voice, an apple. After that, according to the verb, we will use the auxiliary verb. Because this is simple present tense, we will use is. An apple is. In passive voice, we use past participle, that is third form of verb. So, the third form of verb eat is eaten. An apple is eaten. After that, we will use the preposition by in all the sentences of passive voice. And the subject of the active voice will become the object of the passive voice. An apple is eaten by her. Now, look at the another example. Mohan cleaned the house. In this sentence, Mohan is subject, cleaned is verb and the house is object. When we will change change active into passive voice, the object will become the subject of passive voice. The house, because this is simple past tense, we will use was. Again, we will use third form of verb here in passive voice, preposition, and the subject of the active voice will become the object of the passive voice. The house was cleaned by Mohan. Children, our next rule is change the verb into past participle in passive voice. It means passive voice में हम verb की third form का ही use करेंगे. Next rule, add preposition by before subject. हमें ये by preposition का use करना है passive voice में object से पहले. नेक्स्ट रूल, जब हम चेंज करेंगे सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट में तो प्रोनाउंस में क्या चेंज होगा इसकी टेबल यहां पे हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं. लुक एट द टेबल. आई विल चेंज इनटू मी, वी, अस, ही, हिम, शी, हर, दे, देम, यू ही रहेगा, इट. We will use suitable auxiliary verbs, that is, are, am, was, were, will be, shall be, etc. in passive voice sentences according to the following table. Children, look at this table. I mentioned here tense, active voice and passive voice. If our active voice will be in simple present tense, it means it will be first form of verb, do or does. We will change it into is, are, am plus third form of verb. We will use third form of verb in all the sentences of passive voice. If active voice will be in simple past tense, it means we2 did plus v1. We will change it into was, were plus third form of verb. If it will be in simple future tense, will, shall plus first form of verb. We will change it into will be, shall be plus third form of verb. If our active voice will be in present continuous tense, is, are, am plus first form of verb plus ing, we will change it into is, are, am plus being plus third form of verb. If our active voice will be in present continuous tense, it means was, were plus first form of verb plus ing, we will change it into was, were plus being plus third form of verb. If our active voice will be in present perfect change, has, have plus third form of verb, we will change it into has, have plus been plus third form of verb. If our active voice will be in past perfect tense, had plus v3, we will change it had plus been plus v3. If it will be in future perfect tense, will, shall plus have plus v3, we will change it into will have been, shall have been plus third form of verb. Change active voice into passive voice. Our first example is mother doesn't cook food. In this sentence, food is our object, so we will change food into subject of the passive voice. Food, because in active voice there is present indefinite tense, we will change it into is, are, am. Because food is singular number, we will use is here. Food is, because the tense is negative here, we will use not also here. Food is not, we will use third form of verb in passive voice in all these sentences. Third form of cook is cooked. Food is not cooked. After the verb, we will write down preposition by here before the object of the passive voice. By mother. Food is not cooked by the mother. Attentive children, and listen this video twice to understand active and passive voice. Thank you.